Oh, my friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a yoga for anxiety and stress relief video. Very gentle, very smooth. It's Christmas time. It can be very stressful or any time of the year. Wearing my Christmas Story shirt. Let me know below. What's your favorite Christmas movie or special? And click that thumbs up button and let's go. Deep breathing. Take it real easy. Look at me taking it easy here. We got the nice leaves behind us. Take some time for yourself. It's your time, my friends. Let's start in child's pose. Take the knees a little wider and relish the stretch. Bring it back here. You could just do 10 minutes of child's pose. Amazing what would happen with your body, releasing the spine, the tension, the stress. You can also tuck your toes if you like. It's nice and breezy here in Tennessee, so let's breathe. Move the head side to side. Release the neck, relax the neck. Adding some rotation, reduce some lower back tightness. You get the tightness out of your body, the mind will follow. Mind and body connected. Where one goes, the other goes. Deep breathing, in the nose, out the nose. Walk the hands over to the right side of the mat, right hand down. Hi. Take the left hand on top. And as you exhale, pull back. Let's give that spine a beautiful, gorgeous stretch. Oh, bring it back right here. 3 deep breaths. In the nose, out the nose. Think of filling the lungs to capacity and emptying them out. Rising up. Let's go to the other side. Left hand on the corner, right hand on top. Take a big inhale. Exhale. Stretch. How's that feel? Feeling better? Get that lower back loosened up, and the rest is cream cheese. It really starts to fall into place. Breathe out the cobwebs. All right, I'm drooling. Back to the center. Wiggle the toes, wiggle the fingers. Come on up. You can shake out the legs if you need to. Shake out the arms. Shoulders are loose. You want to keep it all nice and loose. Relax, go to it when you want to go through it. Relax. Even the jaw, I do that all the time. I just relax the jaw, relax the face. All right, my friends, join me. Hands in knees position. Let's have a wild ride here. Back release, shoulders, everything else. We're going to take it forward and back a little bit. Tuck the toes if you like. Inhale, exhale. Top of the head pointed forward. Take the hands a little further forward if you like. I'm on the Coach Vigue yoga mat. Still inspires me, and I created it. Tuck in your shirt. Check. Okay, my friends. Now, we're going to draw circles. Circles in the sand. Tell Belinda Carlisle we're going to go around. You can come all the way forward. See, I'm rounding, and then press it back to child's pose. You choose how far you want to go with it. Choose the distance, the rhythm. I do these at night. It feels great. Unload any tension that I'm holding in my body before I go to bed. And balance it out, other side. Let me know if someone comes up behind me. Okay. Happens a lot. Come out of the leaves. Use the breath, my friends. Inhale forward, rounding, and then exhale as you stretch. Oh, take advantage. One more time. All right, come on down, forearms down. We got a beautiful Sphinx right here. Opening up the chest, shoulders are back. Little movement side to side. Could also leg curls, always feels nice. Take it slow if you like. Sorry, that's the Pilates in me coming out, the little chop chop. Back a little bit more, shoulders back, chest open. Relearn that posture. Whatever position you're in, you want to open. The breath can flow. Your body can maximize itself. If you like, you could also bring the leg back. We got some scorpions. That's up to you. But great rotation. I'll just stay on my mat here. It is literally my mat. Ha. Leg comes back. Oh. One more time. Always a pleasure. Let's bring it up. Shoulder rolls. Cross-legged or sitting on the knees. Roll those shoulders back. Let the shoulders relax down. There we go. Oh, it's too good to be true. It's like a beautiful fever dream of release. One more time. Sitting cross-legged or on the knees, lace the fingers behind you, mudra stretch. Drop the shoulders back. At once invigorating and releasing, relaxing. Lace the fingers, also bring the palms together if you like. If you want to add a little movement to it, you hinge forward with the exhale. Inhale, lift up as the planes fly overhead. Three more. If you like, that's up to you. Hold it for a moment. Variation of the rabbit pose. Rabbit, not rabid. There's no rabbit pose. I'm just feeling extra rabbit today. I release, arms up, cactus arms, pull it back. Good posture. Shoulders back. Shoulders sliding down the back. What we're going to do, shake out the legs, shake out the arms, the toes and fingers are loose, right foot crosses over the left, twist to the right, grab that leg or bring the arm to the other side, seated twist, sink into it as you exhale, twist, inhale, let the shoulders lift up a little bit so when you exhale, exercises when I did professional theater and opera to relax. You always want to relax. Is inhale, you tense it up, and then exhale, let it go. Definitely shows where you're holding the tension. And the exhale feels so good then. You give yourself permission to get it out of there. It doesn't have to be there. It serves no purpose but to ruin our days. One more breath. Left hand, hold the cap down, of course. Take your left hand on the outside of your right foot. That's where your little pinky is. Your little pinky right here. Extend that leg. As much as you can. Itch your cheek and then take this arm back. Shoulders down. What do we call this one? I'm not sure. We're twisting back here and extending here. Shoulders relaxed. 3 breaths. All right, seated twist, other side. Take the left foot across. We're tall, right here, sitting tall. Twist to the left. 5 breaths. All right, right hand. Rechte hand here. Take to the outside of the left foot. Pinky. Extend. Left arm reaches back. Open it up. 5 breaths. Good doggies over there. Always nice to see the dogs. I know once I finish filming, the sun will just majestically come out with birds singing and symphonies playing. But at least this green shirt, I think, really pops, doesn't it? Deep breathing, my friends. Okay, let's finish off. Come onto your backs, knees into the chest. You can always place your head down or on a pillow. Hug the knees in. Rocking back and forth, drawing circles. Think back to geometry, basic geometry, all the shapes you want to draw. Circles, triangles, isosceles triangles, hexagons, pentagons, octagons, Chuck Norris, word associations, other direction, toes and fingers are loose. How's your breath doing? Keep that breath flowing, my friends. You gotta have the breath. You gotta have heart, and you gotta have breath. You can't have one without the other. Now circle them opposites. Ooh. Happy hips. Hold so much of that tension in our hips, not just physical tension, emotional, stress, anxiety in the hips, in the back, in our psoas, which goes around. Anyway, I'll give a whole diagram right now. Goes around, all right. Other direction, circle. Breathe into those hips. Yoga instructors can get away with that kind of talk. Breathe into the hips. It makes perfect sense when we're doing it. If you're not, huh? Kind of hippie universe stuff is that? But you breathe into those areas. You can breathe in, release them, clean them out. Okay, let's do the twist. Take the right leg across. Hi. Just laying here on this beautiful road. Oh, take this arm. Let's go up and over. Open here, or if you really want to get into it, take this arm all the way up and over. Coach Vigue wants to get into it. He wants to be starting something. Want to be starting something. Up and over. Oh, Merry Christmas. Can even reach a little further. Am I even on the camera? One more time. Reach across, open. Spinal twist today. Can possibly keep the chiropractor away. One of the big ones. All right, other side. I was filming here a couple days ago and I realized I was halfway off the mat. Just slowly gliding over into the grass. Here's our twist. Find where it is, my friends, and do this if you like. Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays. Been singing Christmas carols non-stop. You're probably watching this in July. I still am. Oh, but look at this. Oh, this huge openness right here, undoing maybe months or years of damage, of closing off that area. Oh, okay, hold it right here. It's like I'm up against a wall. How you feeling? Don't forget to tell me what's your favorite Christmas movie or special. I'll show you mine at the end. Just a glimpse. A hint. The shirt I'm wearing. Well, duh. All right, stretch it out, stretch it out. Beautiful work, my friends. Are you feeling better, feeling released? That's what we want this time of year and all throughout the year. Don't want to live with all that tension. One of the things that these flows reveal is we don't have to. If this helped, I love it if you click that thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe, smash that button, and click that notification bell up there to never miss one of my workouts. It's me, Coach Vigue. My favorite Christmas movie is, of course, this, somewhere on the screen. It's just glorious. A Christmas Story. First saw it with my mom on Easter Sunday back in 1983 at the Valley Square Theater in La Crosse, Wisconsin. Now it's at Dick's Sporting Goods. It was flurrying that day. We loved it so much we went back the next day and saw it. It reminds me so much of my parents, God bless them. My parents have both passed, but that's their time period. It takes place in 1940. My dad would have been 6 years old, so he would have been Randy's age, the younger brother. And I still watch it all the time. I had it on last night. This morning when I was getting ready, I put on YouTube the tour. Someone filmed a tour of the Christmas Story house in Cleveland, Ohio, which I would love to visit. If you want to give me a birthday present, I'd love to go there, see the museum, film a class there, who knows. And I always watched it with my parents, and we'd have such great discussions because everything in that movie they remembered, even soap chips, a clinker, a damper, what would happen to the coal furnaces, what things were made of, the rubber, the rationing, what it meant, especially back then. If you said fudge, I won't say the other word, but that was serious, serious stuff. Life Buoy, I could go on and on. I adore that film. It's such a part of me, and I like to live in that spirit whenever I can of that movie. It's never really been about Ralphie's BB gun. It's all about all the beautiful things happening while he's on the quest to get one. And isn't that life? I want this, but it's everything else happening and the people around us, especially our families, who are a lot of times gone all too soon. So thanks for sharing this workout with me. Have a blessed rest of the day and week and month. Share it on to people. You always know someone who needs to release, to relax. We all need it. There is nobody that does not need to do something like this. I take great pride in teaching something like this that anybody can benefit from. So thanks for letting me have the opportunity. It's me, Coach Vigue, the Coach Vigue yoga mat. I'm going to tell you about that right here. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much, I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.